Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, Government of Canada has implemented multi-factor authentication on GCKEY accounts, right? So if you already have an account and you have not set it up, when you log in, they are gonna show you this screen where you have to set it up. And if you are gonna register a new account, then during the account setup process itself, you are gonna come through this. So there are three ways you can do. And a smartphone or tablet is recommended because even for other applications, like you can say Microsoft applications, this is being used. You can use your desktop device or you can use your email address. Well, the simplest one would be to set up your email address where you log in and then they're going to send you a code on your email address. After you put your credentials, you put that code and go get in. But this is one is good. And desktop device is like similar to mobile device, but desktop you don't carry everywhere, right? So I don't want to go for this. Like instead, I'll go for this. Let's see. So you have terms condition. Click on accept. So like you need to install an app, okay, where you can authenticate, and it is saying that you download and install from these sources. Fine, okay. So if you already have an authenticator app installed, you can click on plus sign and create a new account where select an option to scan a barcode or QR code. Okay. And so I'm going to show you this step instead of explaining it. So I'm going to show it in a better way. So now I'll take you to my App Store. You can simply install the Authenticator app, and during the setup, you can set up its PIN. Unfortunately, I cannot show you certain screens because of privacy reasons, but now I'm going to enter the PIN, or I can even authenticate using my fingerprint, and I'll show you the next. So now what has happened, like now I have gone there and I had the option of plus. There were accounts listed that I'm already using authentication app, so that's why I did not show the previous screen. Instead, I have brought you here. After clicking on add account, and now I'm going to scan the QR code. You do need to apply the permission, and then I'm going to show you. Once you scan the QR code, it will come over here. Okay. Now in the screen where I had stopped sharing my desktop, if you would have clicked next, it would have shown you QR code and secret key, because those are private information, so I cannot show you in this video. But then from here you can do that successfully. It will share recovery codes to you that you need to save. So I have saved everything. So you can click here and continue. And we can now log in again using that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.